To begin with real life examples, let's understand the tally table first, which is very useful in writing set-based SQL queries. Tally table is a single column table which stores the sequential numbers starting from 1 or maybe 0 to n, where n is an integer number. The value of n should be decided based on what suits in your database environment. A clustered index needs to be created on this column to facilitate fast data retrieval. This table is also known as number table. In many cases, we join other tables with tally table to get the required output in set-based approach, which helps us to avoid cursors and loops. Tally table looks like this. Let's create the tally table now. First, we are going to create a separate database which we will use throughout this course. Here is a script to create a database named set-based approach. Now we will use this database to create the tally table. Here is a script to create tally table inside DBO schema. Now add some records in this table. Here is a script to add numbers starting from 1 to 100,000 sequentially in tally table. Instead of using a loop or recursive CTE, we have cross-joined the master.sys.allColumns view with itself to generate lots of records. Then we have used row number function to generate serial numbers. And finally, we have extracted top 100,000 records and inserted it into dbo.tally table. We can add more records in this table in future if required. Now execute these scripts in SQL Server. Here we create the database. Here we start using the database. Here we create the tally table. Here we insert the records into the tally table. Now that we have been familiar with the tally table, let's start our first real life example.